Congratulations on purchasing a Redsbaby HILO². To assemble, first we put the long legs onto the chair. Simply press the button and click into the hole. Then get your next legs and repeat for all 4. Next, let's turn the high chair over to attach the crossbar. Before attaching the crossbar, be sure it's on a flat surface. To attach the crossbar, simply slide it up. Then get your 4 screws and put them in. Once you've securely attached the crossbar, next get the harness. With the harness, simply get the Redsbaby name, push it through the hole, and then click it in. At the front of the harness, remove the safety clip, and then simply feed the strap into the slit in the chair. Then reattach the safety clip. Next, attach your T-bar. Simply click it into the front and then 2 sides and pushing them inside the seat. Next, get your food tray and simply slide it on. Once you hear a click, you know it's locked in. Next, to adjust the footrest from the high position to the lower position, simply undo the 2 screws at the bottom, flip it around and redo the 2 screws once again in the new lower footrest position.